Well, speaking of markets, they may be unpredictable, but history shows that certain months have delivered stronger returns than others. In this next News and Numbers report, we track the S&P 500 seasonal trend from its best performing periods to months of greater volatility. Take a look.